Hi, this is Scoggett, and it's Saturday morning, and I'm excited because the Texas Tech Raiders, they're ranked number 25 in the nation, are playing West Virginia. They're ranked number 12. So what I'm making for a tailgate is I'm making an award-winning slow cooker tailgate chili my way. I'm going to share the recipe with you and show you the ingredients, what you need to make this. I'll have this more likely in 3 parts. First part will be, of course, the ingredients. Second part will be combining the ingredients and slow cooking it. And the third part will be the finished product and plating up. So I'm going to go ahead and get started and show you what you need to make this. What I've got is I've got 1 pound of ground beef, 1 pound of sausage. Use any sausage you like. I like the Jimmy Dean regular because Jimmy Dean is from Plainview, Texas. Also, it's a good sausage. You can use hot if you want. You're going to need 1 bottle of chili sauce, 1 jar of chunky salsa, or you can use any salsa you want. If you want to make your own homemade, then that's fine. I've got the mild because I can't really handle the hot. 1 can of kidney beans, 2 cans of chili beans, 1 can of rotel. You can use the hot. I like the mild because, like I say, I can't handle the heat. 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of cumin, ground cumin, 1 tablespoon of kosher salt, 3 tablespoons of chili powder. Use any kind of chili powder you want. Mrs. Scoggett happens to like Gebhardt, so that's the one I'm using. 1 onion, diced, and 1 bell pepper, diced. And that's the ingredients what you need to make this. And I tell you what, this chili is going to be great. And I'm so excited about this game. I really want Texas Tech to win and even move up higher in the ranks. Like I say, right now they're at 25, and I suspect that they're going to beat West Virginia. So, going to go ahead and get busy making this chili. And like I say, it's easy to make. It's not hard at all. And something else is, as you can see, I'm wearing my football helmet. So if they can't get the job done, maybe they can send me in, and I'll take care of it for them. So, this is Scoggett. I appreciate all you viewers and subscribers out there. And I'll have the second video coming up. And go Raiders. You're going to win. Go Raiders.